Today's our experiment about foam fire extinguisher principle. The principle of the foam fire extinguisher is to first inject an appropriate amount of sodium carbonate and bamboo leaves containing a foaming agent into a suction bottle. Then inject concentrated hydrochloric acid into a small test tube. Insert a small bamboo stick into the tube to prevent the large amount of gas generated by reaction. During the experiment, from pushing the short tube to impact the bottom of the suction bottle. Use a thin wire to mark the short-sighted tube and carefully put it into the suction bottle. Then use cork or rubber stopper to plug the upper mouth of the suction bottle. Hold the suction bottle tightly and turn the suction bottle upside down while keeping the side tube of the suction bottle outward. You've seen clearly that fire extinguisher gas discharging with great pressure. For more this kind of videos, must like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for the watching.